I know I went crazy a bit. I got a new TIG welding machine. So to do my welding and cutting, I just made a space for myself over here. So I did some housekeeping and it took pretty much a lot of time because I was arranging all my old stuff. Got one space right here. I got a table, but it's not exactly a table. Fits in perfectly. I just need to get the metal top. The reason why I did not get the metal top together is because I wanted it to be custom so that I can have like fixture holes in it so that it will be easier to make jigs when you're doing your work. So I'm gonna wait for the plate that has a lot of holes in it. Here's gonna be my little fabrication station. Fabrication station. I should call it Fabrication. Get it? Fabrication and Shawn, so fabricate.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again.
So we got our welding table finally has arrived. Here it is. It's super thick. It's gonna be super durable. I'm surprised that the rack can actually support this.
Playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid.
Just a very simple design that I sketched it up on my handphone. A design by myself. I don't think so it's a brilliant one, but I'm just gonna try. Convert it on the aluminum plate. Now we just gotta cut it out. Hopefully I can cut it out straight. When you're cutting aluminum, make sure you wear a mask. The plate that I was doing is for that. Now I can put in like the relay box. There's a place for me to put the relay box over here. So that's my aluminium fuse box. Not really a box, a section. I know I went crazy a bit. I got a new TIG welding machine with a water cooler, and I plan to like maybe just practice fabricating, learn how to weld more aluminum stuff, because I got a lot of things to weld on this car, the piping, exhaust and everything. So but I do it in-house. I think it's kind of fun and it's a good learning curve, but I think I went a bit too crazy on this. It's not perfect, but it does the job. Still trying to practice more, but I think pretty good. Pretty okay. Hot, hot, hot. This one was bad. That one wasn't really that nice. Kinda done my fuse panel. Right now I gotta do the ignition area, because this is the dash that I brought out. I need to get a panel over here so that I can put on my ignition switch and everything.
Keep dancing Boleh?
Boleh. Saya rasa saya leave ini.
Itu biar sana.